Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well and I'm doing good. In this video, you will learn an interesting topic. Moreover, you will find this video helpful. In my channel, you will find videos that focus on math content and exploring new things like travel, adventures, and many more. So please subscribe to our channel and watch the video till the end. We will upload a mixture or a combination of videos as well. Now, let's quickly dive into this video. Classification of numbers. So first of all, you have to know what is exactly the numbers and why it plays a major role. Without numbers, we can't do math. So numbers are quite simple to see, but it plays a major role in math. Okay. In our daily life, we use numbers for counting. So mainly the numbers are classified as two numbers. These are real numbers and imaginary numbers. So real numbers are the numbers which are having only real existence. That is whatever we are using every day. No. So real numbers are classified as so it is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational number, prime number, composite numbers, even numbers, odd numbers. One, it starts with 1, 2, 3, etc. It is a natural number. Okay. So natural numbers, it starts with 1 and the smallest number of the natural number is 1, whereas the largest natural number cannot be obtained because it can be any number, whole numbers. However, the whole number starts with 0. Therefore, the complete set of natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. Now, what is an integer? Integers, it is a subset of real numbers. Means it can be positive number, it can be negative number, it can be whole number, natural number, odd number, even number, everything. Natural numbers can be represented as n and whole numbers is w. Likewise, here this number. Integer is represented as either this number. Integer is represented as either that we can simply write whatever the number start with the letter. So, so what is the fourth one? So prime numbers. Prime numbers is a whole number greater than 1 and it can be divisible by itself. What exactly is the prime numbers? For example, divisible is nothing but the division. So 2 can be divided by 1. Yeah, because 1 times 2 is 2. So 2 can be divided by 1, right? So 1 times 2 is 2, which is 0. Whereas it is so first point, it is the prime numbers or those natural numbers or whole numbers which are only divisible by 1. So 2 can be divided by 1. And the number itself is nothing but 2 can be divided by 2. Yeah, 2 can be divided by 2. It can be divided by 1 and it can be divided only by 2. 2 times, yeah, 2 times 1 is 2, so 2 can be divided by 2, right? And there is no other number that can divide 2. Let me show you. So prime numbers is represented as p. Yeah. So this is how prime numbers work. So 2 can be divided by 1 or it can be divided by itself. Okay. So some of the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Because those are the numbers that can be divisible by 1 and it can be divisible by itself. Now, composite numbers. Composite number is a whole numbers, but it is not prime. It is greater than 1. For example, even though composite numbers can be divisible by 1, it can be divisible by itself, like the prime numbers, but it can also be divisible by other numbers. So, it can be divisible by 1, it can be divisible by itself, and also by other numbers. So, whatever we are dividing, for example, 4. 4 can be divided by 2, 4 can be divided by 1, 4 can be divided by 4, right? So 4 can be divided by any number. Divisible by 1 and it can be divisible by itself. Whereas composite numbers, it can be divisible by 1, it can be divisible by the same number, and it can also be divisible with any other numbers. Yes. Yes. So, and it is represented as C. Composite numbers C. Let's take the example 8. Okay. So 8 can be so divisible by 8 because 8 times 1 is 8. So it is 0. Right? And the same number 8 can be divisible by 2 because 2 times 4 is 8. And 8, 4 times 2 is 8. So it can be divisible by 4. Okay. And yeah. So, and it can also be divisible by the number 1 because 1 times 8 is 8. So, it is 0. In the definition, that the number that are divisible by 1, so this part is, it can be divisible by 1. You understand? The number itself. The number itself is 8. It is divisible by the same number 8 here. Yeah, and also by the other numbers. So what are all the other numbers here? It can be also divisible by 2 and it can also divisible by 4. So even numbers or the numbers that can be divisible by 2 or the multiples of 2 is called a set of even numbers. Whatever the number multiplying with 2, those numbers are called even numbers. Okay. And what is odd number? The numbers that are not divisible by 2 or not a multiples of 2 is called a set of odd numbers. Yeah. And it can be represented as O because odd So, for example, A by B. So, rational number is nothing but it can be expressed in the form of A by B. That is any number. It can be like it 1 by 2 or 3 by 3 or 3 by 4. These are called the classification of numbers and its types. I hope you will understand this. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos like this.